blue seed. Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. If this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, this channel is all about product recommendations and relationship talk. To my new subscribers, you're welcome. Thanks for visiting and thanks for subscribing. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to produce breast firming oil. Okay, breast firming oil. I know that I did a video before on how to produce breast enlargement oil, but I know that a lot of us have big boobs. But the issue we have is that it's sagging and we just don't want to enlarge it anymore. We just want to make it firm. So that's what this video is all about. Make sure you watch this video to the end, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So guys, let's go straight. First, I have sweet almond oil. Right? Sweet almond oil is very beneficial for the skin. Even if you have black skin, if you have a dry skin, it penetrates deeply into the skin and moisturizes it. Also, it's also recommended if you want to produce a firming oil, you should get sweet almond oil. And I have black seed oil. Black seed oil is very good because it prevents cancer and helps you firm your skin. And this is the Almighty Blue Sea Vaseline. If you're doing anything firming, breast firming, and you do not use Blue Sea Vaseline, I don't know if that's gonna work. Blue Sea Vaseline is highly recommended, especially when you need to firm your boobs up. Here I have extra virgin olive oil. It also contains canola oils, which is very effective for removing of eczema or any skin irritation. So this is extra virgin olive oil. You can get any one of your choice. Okay. Vitamin E oil. We all know the wonders of vitamin E oil. It's very, very nice for the skin. Though I'm going to be doing a video on how to use vitamin E oil to treat dry skin, but in this video it's all about breast firming. So most of the vitamin E comes in a tablet form, it comes in a pack, but I decided to buy this one, though it's pretty expensive, but you can get any one of the vitamin E. Okay. And this shea butter, we all know that shea butter is a nice natural skin product. It's something that you can find in almost all the skin products you're using. Shea butter is one of the vital ingredients they use. So make sure you watch to the end. Let me show you how to combine these products together and how to use it. I'm going to combine these oils together now to produce what we know as breast firming oil. And this oils works very, very well. All you have to do is be consistent in the usage. This is an empty container. So first, I'm going to start with my olive oil. That's olive oil. Sweet almond oil. Then the first thing I added was olive oil. Do you get it? Okay. This is vitamin E. It's usually thick. Okay, remember you can get any vitamin E of your choice. You can get any vitamin E of your choice, okay? And then leaves you Vaseline. Yeah, I'm producing a very small quantity because I have this oil already. I just want to show you guys how to do it yourself, okay? And then this is shea butter. Shea butter. Black seed oil. Black seed oil. Usually black. Black seed oil. Then mix them together. Mix them together. make sure that everything mixed in properly. Mix everything thoroughly. Mix everything thoroughly. Okay. Good. So the next thing you're about to how to use it is, so guys, that's how to produce breast firming oil. All you have to do, how to use it properly, is just the way we've produced it now. Use it to massage your breast in a circular motion every morning and night after bathing. Must make sure you massage it. You know, most times why this oil doesn't work for people is that they just rub it like this and that's all. But no, if you want to achieve result, you have to, once you apply it on your boobs, you then be massaging it like this in a circular motion. Keep massaging it like this. Just be massaging it in a circular motion until it absorbs into your skin. Don't rub it and just go away. Massage it, and I'm sure you're going to see result, because this oil works and they are all natural. All right. Don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to this channel, and also drop your comments if you're not so convinced about anything, if you're not sure of the names of those items. If you have any question to ask me, drop it in the comment section and I will be glad to attend to you. I love you guys. Stay connected. Bye. Today I'm going to show you natural products to use to make your boobs firm, bigger, and better. And I'm also going to show you how to make your bum bum bigger, okay, without side effects, because everything I have here is purely natural, organics. Okay, so when I call the names, you can even research on them and you can see that there's no chemical here. So this particular oil is good for body massage. Most people say it's good to use it for massaging of your boobs, even without missing all this. Some claim that it makes your boobs look bigger. Okay, so I also have Blue Seal Vaseline. I have Blue Seal Vaseline. This Blue Seal Vaseline is also good for massaging of your butt. It's good for boobs. Makes it firm, makes it bigger. Okay. And then I have maca root powder. Here it is. This is maca root powder. It's purely a natural product. Okay. All this we're going to mix it together to get what I'm going to produce and show you in this video. When you grind the fenugreek seed, this is how it is. Okay, in a powdery form. That's it. So this is what I'm going to mix here today to get that boobs enlarged and the butt also enlarged. This is the fenugreek seed which I have grinded. Okay, and then this is the fenugreek oil. I'm going to mix it. Okay, with the oil. And then this is maca root powder. All this. Okay, there's maca root powder. And then this is Blue Seal Vaseline. Blue Seal Vaseline is very good for massage. Even Blue Seal Vaseline also helps to make boobs firm. It helps to make your boob firm. In case you have a fluffy or I don't want to use a new word. So this is extra virgin olive oil. So you have to mix this to form a paste. It's a paste now. So after bathing, all you're going to do, just turn it, stir it this way, and use it and massage your boobs round in a circular motion. Before my boobs it's not even big as I want, so I'm also using these products. Okay, helps to make it firm, like you can go out without that. So, and also you can use it on your ass in case you want to go hip. You will just use it to be massaging the areas you want to enhance. These things are purely organic and they are just natural. So that's all about boobs enlargement and butt enlargement products. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video you can be notified. Don't forget that this channel is all about product recommendations. We go out there to look for products that are the best in the market, that are good and that is effective. Thank you so much.